I'm a singer, actor, creator, songwriter, and I'm honestly a person who don't give a fuck. So come with me, like and subscribe to my channel. My name is London Moon, and it's only getting better from here. Hey, what's up guys? My name is London Moon and welcome back to my channel where I do vlogs and I do product reviews, whatever the fuck I feel like doing, and I also eat food here. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe, obviously, who doesn't want to do that? And make sure you hit the bell button. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. It's supposed to help with dark spots and, you know, everything of the sort. So if you're new to my channel, again, here's my social media right here. Go have fun with that. Also, before this video, I did a video of me getting my eyebrows microbladed. I have not went back yet for my second touch-up, because you have to do 2 touch-ups, blah, 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 blah. I haven't went back yet, so I'm going back probably within like the next 2 weeks. So this video is about the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. I'm sure you probably heard it all across social media. It's been all over Instagram, maybe TikTok, YouTube. It's everywhere. So at this point, I was like, I'm going to order this and I'm going to try it. All right, so this is the box that it comes in. So this is the box. Let's open it up. Don't mind my manicure. Yes, it's fucking fading. So once you open it up, nothing else in there. You have the box here. It's the Vitamin C Clay Mask. So this is the box. This is what you're gonna get, and that's it. So pretty much you're just taking about 10 minutes of your day to apply this skin clay mask onto your face. It's vitamin C, and it's gonna pretty much work to help clear up your dark spots. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. Here's what we have, you guys. Like, I love when products give you a big box just to give you such a small container. Don't you love that? I'm somebody of a lighter skin complexion, and with that being said, it does leave dark spots, especially as a male when you shave. I don't shave, I mostly use clippers, but regardless of the case, when you shave and the hair grows back, you get like ingrowing hair, and it creates bumps, and then it's irritating, and then it leaves dark spots. So that's just something I'm gonna have to deal with as a gentleman. But anyway, so this is the product. This is it right here. Y'all can see that? Yes, you can. All right, great, cool. And it comes with a little brush, which is great, you know. The brush, you know, has the Gleamin, sorry, I don't know, on there. So this is cool. And then it's vegan free. This is the product. Let's open it. Wow. It actually has a nice smell to it. It almost smells like makeup in a way, but I don't know. To me, makeup smells good. But it has like a little makeup smell, but with a little fragrance to it. And I need to cleanse my face before I put this on. So allow me about 5 seconds. I'm gonna speed this part up and I'll be right back. Now I'm all cleansed and ready to go. So now we're going to start applying the mask. This is always fun to me. I really hope this works. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. If this shit don't work, I'm gonna let you guys know. But I'm just gonna put, and they say only leave it on there for about 10 minutes. So we'll see. Let's start applying the mask. It feels so smooth. Oh my gosh. I love this already. It feels so smooth on my skin. I'm just gonna start applying it to parts where I feel like I need it the most, like the cheeks, because that's where you got the ingrowing hair and you shave the most on your cheeks. It feels good. So, and I didn't even use that much. And by the way, this is not me digging in there. That's just how it came. It came like lopsided. But I'm gonna leave this on my face about 10 minutes and I'll be right back to you guys when I wash it off. And just to show you, like, I guess the first few minutes of the results, even though you're not gonna really get like a good description of it because obviously you have to use it over time, but I'm gonna let you guys see once I get it rinsed off. So I'll be back. So I'm like 4 minutes into having it on my face and it's hardened up already. I still got about, I don't know, 6 minutes left. So we'll see. But I just want to kind of show you what it looks like. It's hardened up already, as you can tell, but stay tuned. All right, so it's been over 10 minutes, so now I'm about to rinse this shit off my face, and then we're about to see the results. So let's go. All right. Okay, so this is the final results, you guys. Again, this is the first time I used it. So I don't know if you notice like a huge difference. Obviously, you're not going to notice like a difference over like a course of 10 minutes. But that was just pretty much how you use it and what you can expect when you're using the vitamin C clay mask. I'll give this product 2 thumbs up. I do like it. It smells great. It doesn't irritate my skin. Yeah, I mean, I'll give it a shot. I'll give it like a week and see if I see any improvements. My skin already been pretty much clearing up anyway, so maybe this will help enhance that clarification. But again, no irritation, nothing of the sort. So I do like it so far. If you guys enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, share this video if you care. And I guess this will wrap it up, but I'll see you guys next time. And again, I will have the link to purchase this in the description box below. You guys have a safe and great rest of your day. Peace out. So I just want to let you guys know I have been using it. There's no filter or anything on my face. Check this out. Like, I mean, I feel like it's been working rather well. My cheek parts has been fading very, very well. I think it's been doing great for my skin. It's definitely something that you can use maybe every other day or whatever the case may be, just to kind of keep your skin at a good balance. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment, all that little YouTube shit that they tell you to do, and come back for more because I'll be here. So until then, peace out, motherfuckers.